Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read an essay on the theme, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. What is the meaning of this sentence? It means that even in a crisis situation, people who are mentally tough will persevere and continue moving forward. First para, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. This saying was originally said by the father of former President John F. Kennedy. He was the president of USA. It is very motivational to people all over the world. Its tricky play on words and its motivational tone make it a very interesting quote to look at in depth and to explain exactly what it means. Throughout this essay, you will learn what this saying means, what being tough is, and the true meaning of perseverance. It is endlessly quoted by football coaches, salesmen, and other motivators. So it may be an overused sentence. The going gets tough. So the going means the situation, the circumstances. It getting tough means that it's become difficult. There are a lot of hurdles ahead in our journey. Tough people keep going. So tough means the people who are strong or enduring. They keep going means they become fully engaged to meet the challenge. They take the bull by its horns. They are optimistic people. When life throws lemons at them, they make a lemonade out of it. So taken together, this whole sentence means when the situation becomes difficult, the strong will work harder to meet the challenge. That's the simple explanation. But what does it mean to be tough? No, it doesn't mean physically tough. That may not help in many situations. Next para. A tough person is someone who can persevere through hard times, keep on going, never give up, never say die attitude. They have persistence, tenacity. They overcome adversity, that is problems, and make it through and come out better than they were before. There's another saying, whatever doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. They overcome adversity and make it through and came out better. In the context of this quote, it does not mean to flee the situation. You can't escape the situation. Strong people persevere through the situation when the going gets tough. The interesting thing about the quote is that the last two words, gets going, can be interpreted in two ways. It can be thought of to get working, to overcome the problem, or it could mean to flee the situation. But we know that the former is the correct explanation, not the latter. It truly was said in the context of persevering through the hard situations. Next paragraph. But what does it mean to persevere? Persevering means one gets through the situation no matter how hard. It means that one does not give up. What a motivational quote it is! Exclamation mark. It will always be one of my favorites. In tough times, his quote makes you realize that you can get through those hard situations because every dark cloud has a silver lining. It reminds us to persevere and to be that tough person who can overcome adversity so that in the future you can reach prosperity. So next you are stuck in a slump. Whenever you are, remember, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.